So before copying this first hall arrangements to the other halls, I want to copy this particular column and I am going to paste it below. So let's start with equal to bring the students from the final seating. Select the first hall ticket number, and since it is already alternate, so just drag it down. Now check the last number, it is Z75, so next should be Z76. So just type Z76 and drag it down. And check the last one, Z81, so next must be Z82. Also you can arrange in this way: column 1, column 3, column 2 and column 4. You can arrange in any fashion you like. Next I am going to copy this whole formulas to the hall 2. So just select exactly from 24 and just select till you have the seating arrangement below. Copy it and exactly paste in the next hall, that is exactly below 24, so that your formulas may not change. And then replace table H1 with table H2. And now let's go to the next hall, that is the third hall, and don't do anything, just press Ctrl V and it will paste whole of the formulas and replace H1 with H3. Likewise do it for all other halls. Now let's finalize this by doing the last step by adding the seating pattern for this template. This is the home page and let's go to the detail page. Here you have the two patterns, one is none and I am going to delete it, both of it, and I am going to add the new feature now. And now go to insert and insert the option button for both of the pattern. And now I am going to provide the format control, so press right click and format control, and I am going to give the cell link, so I am going to select from the temp page. Since it is the option button, so if you select one, the other will uncheck automatically. And when you select first, it will show 1, and when you select second option, it will show 2, and you can add as much as options you have. And now I like to define its name as pattern, so I am going to define it as pattern. So this step is going to be very important because this is how we are going to decide which pattern to be chosen and implement that in the seating page here. So you can use the formula directly here, or you can create the temp and then copy the same to the seating page. So now I am going to select the second option. I am going to create that first in the temp page and then copy to the seating page. So let's use the formula to select between two patterns and start with if and type pattern PATTERN, which I have defined earlier. If the pattern value is 1, then select from the temp seating 1 page the first pattern which we have created. So the first pattern is going to be in S35. And let's check if the pattern value is 2, then I am going to select it from the second option. So the second option is available at S120. So then close the bracket accordingly and press enter. So you have got the first value, just drag it down downwards and rightwards. So we have got the value for the first hall. Now let's check it out how it works by going to the detail page and selecting the none option. And here you can see there is a difference in the arrangement of students. Now I am going to do it for the hall 2. Just copy the previous one above and paste it below and change the name as hall 2 and just repeat the same procedure again. First delete all the formulas and then copy the first formula from the hall 1. And paste the same in hall 2 and just replace the values. So first I am going to select it from the hall 2. Now it is in hall 1 and going to hall 2, just come down, so select the value. Now if the option is pattern is 2, then still come down and you have the second pattern here and then press enter and you get the value. Just drag it downwards and the rightwards. Next I am going to do it for hall 3. Just copy the hall 2 and just paste it below and change the name to hall 3 and then delete all the formulas which were present in hall 3. Now same like copy from the previous one and paste it in hall 3 first row and first column. Now I want to replace those formulas. Go to temp seating page and now we are in the hall 2. So now we are on the hall 3 table. Just scroll below and here you have the first option and then the second option must be at 120, but only difference is in AY. Just check it out. Yes, it's in 120 and AY. Just press enter, you have got the values. And the same way, if you are watching my video and creating the seating template, I have 12 halls, and if you have 50 halls, 100 halls, you can do it and repeat the same procedure until completing for all the 50 halls. I hope to which hall I was doing now. It is for the multi-purpose hall with 300 seats, and this is the very big in our template. Now let's update this in the final seating page. Let's go to the seating page first. It's very simple. Using equal to, just give the reference to the temp page and you'll get all the names here. If you feel even tired to just giving reference like this, you can also use the index formula, and that is a challenge which I placed before you. For any queries, post it in the comment box. And finally, this is for the multi-purpose hall, and with this we have completed and updated our sheet with 2 patterns. Shall we now finalize our sheet? Shall we do it now? So let's visit each and every sheet and then hide the unwanted sheet. So now we are on the home page and I am now going to the hall design, then to the detail, then name list, it is needed, seating is needed, seating for MPH is needed. Now I am going to hide this sheet. Right click and press hide. Then temp seating one is not needed, hide. Then temp page is not needed, hide. And then finally sheet 1, it also unneeded, and just hide it. So that's it, and other sheets are needed, and now your sheet is ready to be used for the exams. Let's see again in the next video with the new pattern. Until then, happy shining with Shines Excel.